If you are using ChatGPT by just typing basic questions like write an email or explain quantum physics, you are only using about 5% of its real power. Most people end up with robotic bland answers because they do not know how to structure their instructions. In this video, I am going to reveal 5 master prompt frameworks that will completely transform your AI results. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to turn ChatGPT into a senior consultant, an elite tutor, and a master copywriter all in a matter of seconds. Before we dive into the specific prompts, you need to understand the fundamental architecture of a perfect prompt. We call this the RCTC Framework, which stands for role, context, task, and constraint. First, assign a specific role so the AI knows what domain knowledge to access. Second, provide rich context so it understands your unique situation. Third, define a clear task with specific actions. Finally, set strict constraints such as tone, word count, or format. When you combine these 4 elements, the quality of your output skyrockets. Let us start with prompt number 1, the expert critic. Instead of asking ChatGPT to write something for you immediately, force it to audit your work first. Type, act as a world-class strategist and harsh critic. Review the draft below for weak arguments, logical flaws, and vague claims. Ask me 5 clarifying questions before suggesting revisions. Notice what happens here. ChatGPT does not just output surface-level praise. It systematically dissects your writing, points out missing data, and asks critical questions that force you to sharpen your ideas before writing the final draft. Prompt number 2 is designed for ultra-fast learning. It uses the Pareto principle to master any topic. Type, I want to learn about market segmentation. Identify the vital 20% of concepts that will give me 80% of the practical understanding. Provide a breakdown with real-world examples, then give me a 3-question quiz to test my retention. Look at this result. Instead of giving you a textbook history lesson, ChatGPT isolates core frameworks and immediately tests your comprehension. It converts passive reading into active recall, doubling your learning speed instantly. Prompt number 3 is called reverse prompting, and it is a total game changer. If you do not know how to phrase what you want, let ChatGPT write the prompt for you. Type, I want to create a high-converting landing page for a SaaS product. Interview me 1 question at a time to gather all the necessary information, then generate the ultimate prompt I should run. Now watch the screen. ChatGPT starts asking targeted questions about target audience, value proposition, and customer pain points. Once answered, it formats a masterwork prompt customized perfectly to your exact business. Prompt number 4 is the iterative refinement loop. Never settle for the first response ChatGPT gives you. Use this prompt to refine outputs continuously. Type, take the output above and optimize it across 3 dimensions. First, make the tone more persuasive. Second, cut fluff to reduce length by 30%. Third, reformat key points into bullet lists and table summaries. Click enter and observe the transformation. The output changes from a cluttered essay into a crisp, polished document ready for executive presentation or publishing. Prompt number 5 allows you to clone your personal writing style or company brand voice. Feed ChatGPT 3 sample paragraphs of your writing and type, analyze the style, tone, sentence length, and vocabulary choices in the sample text below. Create a style profile. Then, write a new blog post on remote work tools using this exact voice profile. Look at the generated output. It perfectly captures your writing rhythm, sentence structure, and specific vocabulary. This eliminates hours of manual editing and keeps your content team completely consistent across all channels. Now let us talk about 3 critical mistakes that kill your prompt results. Mistake number 1 is context overloading in a single prompt without structure. Break complex tasks into sequential steps instead. Mistake number 2 is failing to utilize custom instructions. Go to your ChatGPT profile, open custom instructions, and set your default background, response preferences, and formatting constraints. Mistake number 3 is ignoring custom GPTs or memory features. By enabling memory, ChatGPT remembers your preferences across all chats, saving you hundreds of keystrokes every single week. Mastering prompt engineering is the single highest leverage skill you can build in today's digital economy. To help you implement these exact prompts right now, I compiled a complete copy-paste cheat sheet document linked in the description below. Download it for free, save it to your bookmarks, and start using these frameworks today. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite prompt, and subscribe for more actionable AI strategy content every single week. Thanks for watching.